Good morning, everyone. Last day we started chapter 9 of civics textbook, Struggles for Equality. In this chapter, today our next topic is Tava Matsya Sangh. Students, in our last topic, Struggles for Equality, we studied many of the examples of the people who fought against inequality. These people may have stood up against an act of discrimination that they faced or which they witnessed. One of this type, unity, was तवा मत्स्य संघ. इसी तरह की एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी तवा मत्स्य संघ. When dams are built or forest areas declared sanctuaries for animals, thousands of people are displaced due to of these two incidents. When dams are built or any area declared as sanctuary, bird sanctuary or animal sanctuary, people have to shift from their homes to any other place. So when dams are built or forest areas declared sanctuaries for animals, thousands of people are displaced. Means they often have to left their homes. अपने घर छोड़ने पड़ते हैं उनको. Whole villages are uprooted and people are forced to go and build new homes, start new lives elsewhere. तो नए तरीके से उनको अपनी लाइफ सेटअप करनी पड़ती है. Most of these peoples are poor. In urban areas too, bastis in which poor people live are often uprooted. Some of them are relocated to areas outside the city. Their work as well as their children's schooling is severely disrupted because of the location. This displacement of people and communities is a problem that has become quite widespread in our society or in our country. Tava Matsya Sangh, a federation, of fisher workers cooperatives, an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest. People usually come together to fight against this. There are several organizations across the country fighting for the rights of the displaced. And TMS, which we are studying, which we are discussing, like same organization. इसी तरह की एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तवा मत्स्य संघ, ए फेडरेशन ऑफ फिशर वर्कर्स कोऑपरेटिव्स, और an organization fighting for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of the Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. Originating in the Mahadev Hills of Chindwara district, the Tava flows through Betul before joining the Narmada in Hoshangabad. तो यहाँ पे एक रिवर है तावा रिवर, नर्मदा रिवर में वो ज्वाइन करती है और वहाँ पर एक डैम कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया. वहाँ के जो पीपल्स हैं, वहाँ के जो रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज़ के जो लोग हैं, उन्होंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपोज किया इसका. द तावा डैम बिगिन टू बी बिल्ट इन 1958 and was completed in 1978. अप्रोक्स 20 ईयर्स जो है इसको लगे वहाँ पर बनाने में। 1958 में स्टार्ट हुआ एंड कंप्लीट कब हुआ है? 1978। इट्स मर्ज्ड large areas of forest and agriculture land. Some of the displaced people settled around the reservoir and part from their made farms found a livelihood in fishing. काफ़ी सारे लोग जो है वो यहाँ से बेघर हो गए, अप्रूट हो गए यहाँ से। कुछ लोग वहीं पे सेटअप्स हो रहे हैं नियर बाई एरियाज़ में, तो कुछ लोगों को दूर जाना पड़ा। A dam is built across a river where one can collect a lot of water. This forms a reservoir, and as the water collects it, submerge vast areas of land. काफ़ी सारे एरिया वहाँ पे कवर हो गया इसका। This is the picture of Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. And due to this dam, because of this dam, the old Tehri town and nearby 100 villages, some totally and some partially, were submerged by this dam. तो काफ़ी सारे विलेजेस को सफ़र करना पड़ा इस डैम की वजह से। In 1994, the government gave the rights for fishing in the Tawa Reservoir to private contractors. अब तावा रिजर्वर के जो लोग थे वहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, फ़िश कैचिंग करते थे ये लोग, तो ये राइट्स अब किसको दे दिए? प्राइवेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को। These contractors drove the local people away and got cheap labor from outside. Contractors drove the local people away and got cheap labor from outside. The contractors begin to threaten the villagers. Who began threaten to villagers? The contractors began threaten the villagers who did not want to leave by bringing in hoodlums. The villagers stood united and decided that it was time to set up an organization and do something to protect their rights. The villagers of that area stood united and decided that it was time to set up an organization and do something to protect their rights. And through this, a newly formed तवा मत्स्य संघ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो यहाँ पे रेज हुआ, न्यू एस्टेब्लिश हुई जो यहाँ पर, द न्यूली फॉर्म्ड तवा मत्स्य संघ TMS organized rallies and a chakka jam demanding their right to continue fishing for their livelihood. Like this, when the peoples do not like the policies of the government, they start protest. They may start protest. क्या करते हैं, जब भी उनको पॉलिसीज़ पसंद नहीं आती तो लोग क्या करते हैं, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज़ को अपोज करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसा ही हुआ। In response to their protest, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended that fishing rights be granted to the villagers for their livelihood. The committee recommended that fishing rights be granted to the villagers in the favor of villagers. Decision was taken in favor of villagers. In 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government decided to give to the people displaced by the Tawa Dam the fishing rights for the reservoir. Again, the decision was taken in the favor of villagers or people who were displaced by the Tawa Dam. Now, a 5-year lease agreement was signed after 2 months. On January 2nd, 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started the new year with the first catch. दोबारा से इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया इनका कि दोबारा से इनको राइट्स मिल गए हैं और इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग कब किया दोबारा 2 जनवरी 1997 को इन्होंने फर्स्ट कैच जो है यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग किया न्यू ईयर पे. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एज ए लिविंग डॉक्यूमेंट. As you know, the Indian Constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. Indian Constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. Movement and struggles for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about equality and justice for all. तो सभी के लिए बराबर है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है हमारा. एंड द पीपल ऑफ द तवा होप दैट द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विल बिकम ए रियलिटी थ्रू देयर पार्टिसिपेशन. बाय दिस समथिंग दैट हैज़ रियल मीनिंग इन आवर लाइव्स. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या लिखा हुआ था? They use it as a living document and that has real meaning in our lives. कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का सही मायना जो है ना, जो सही राइट्स हमें बताए गए हैं वो हमें मिलेंगे. In a democracy there are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality ऑन एग्जिस्टिंग एज वेल एज न्यू इश्यूज. तो काफ़ी सारी कम्युनिटीज़ और इंडिविजुअल जो हैं वो ट्राई कर रहे हैं अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को बढ़ाने के लिए, आइडिया ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, एक रिकॉग्निशन के लिए कि उनको इक्वलिटी मिलनी चाहिए. लाइक फ्रीडम ऑफ वुमेन, राइट टू एजुकेशन फॉर वुमेन, issues of equality are central to a democracy. We have tried to highlight issues that pose a challenge to this idea of equality in a democracy. In the beginning of this chapter, we studied many of the examples. Kanta, Aman and Ranjan, Malini और मार्केट्स एग्जाम्पल्स, काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स जो हमने कवर किए थे. Include the privatization of health services in the country, the increasing control that business houses exert on the media. In chapter 6 of civics, understanding media, we studied about, एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी हमने, क्या नाम दिया था उसको? सेंसरशिप. कि बिजनेस हाउसेस जो हैं या पॉलिटिशियंस जो हैं वो मीडिया के ऊपर क्या करते हैं? सेंसरशिप करते हैं. The low value given to women and their work on equality, and the low earnings made by small farmers who grow cotton. We studied an example of स्वप्ना. स्वप्ना का भी एक एग्जाम्पल पढ़ा था जो अपनी क्रॉप्स को ग्रोन करने के लिए जो है उधार पे लेती है पैसा और फिर उसे लो प्राइसेस के ऊपर अपनी क्रॉप्स जो हैं सेल करनी पड़ती हैं. द लो वैल्यू गिवन टू वुमेन एंड देयर वर्क एंड द लो अर्निंग्स मेड बाय स्मॉल फार्मर्स हु ग्रो कॉटन. These issues substantially affect poor and marginalized communities. This is the core of the struggle for equality in a डेमोक्रेसी। अब सोसाइटी के अंदर हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, कॉन्टिन्यूस चैलेंजेस हैं, इम्पैक्ट भी रह रहा है उनका, उन चैलेंजेस का सॉल्यूशन रिक्वायर्ड रहते हैं। एंड रिसोर्सेज क्या है, अवेयरनेस। लोग अवेयर होंगे तभी सोसाइटी के अंदर इक्वलिटी जो है एस्टेब्लिश कर पाएंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, read the complete chapter carefully, attentively, and learn exercise based question answers of this chapter. Thank you.